Royals, and welcome to today's episode of Crafting with Crowns. Today we are going to be making an extra special Halloween craft. Now if you don't know this, my favorite thing about Halloween is of course the pumpkins. And today, instead of turning our pumpkin into a carriage, we are going to turn it into a magical unicorn. Are you ready? Here we go. For today's special craft, there are just a few things that we need to get started. First, we need a pair of child-safe scissors, some cardstock in any color you'd like for your unicorn horn, a piece of royal ribbon, some magic paint markers, a paintbrush, tape, a pumpkin of course. Now you can use a real pumpkin or a pretend pumpkin like this one, whichever you'd like. Some paint, a jar of your favorite magic dust, a paper plate, and a hot glue gun. And make sure that you get Mom or Dad's help with your hot glue gun, just so we don't get hurt. Now the first step of today's craft is painting our royal pumpkin. I chose the color blue because it's my favorite, but you can make your pumpkin any color you'd like. All you need to do is put some paint on your paper plate, take your brush, and cover your whole pumpkin, just like this. Alright Royals, now that our pumpkin is all painted blue, it's time to add a little bit of sparkle. So take your favorite magic dust and sprinkle it all across the top before your pumpkin dries. Now that our pumpkin is all painted and beautifully sparkling, it's time to make our unicorn horn while the paint dries. Now for our unicorn horn, you will need one piece of cardstock, and you can choose any color you'd like. For our unicorn, we are going to do a white horn, just like the one that I'm wearing today. So you take your piece of paper and you simply roll it just like this to make a cone shape or a horn shape, just like mine. And then once you're done, you can tape the edge down so that it stays perfectly in place. Alright Royal friends, our next step is decorating our unicorn horn with our piece of ribbon. And it's very simple. All you need to do is take your hot glue gun and put a small dot right on the bottom of the horn. Just like that. And then attach your ribbon right to the bottom. Perfect. Together and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Salagadoola, magica-boola, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Put them together and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi, bibbidi bobbidi, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Now every unicorn that I've ever met doesn't only have a bright shiny horn, but it also has two beautiful ears. That's our next step. All you need to do is pick out your favorite color of cardstock again and cut out two ear shapes. I'll show you how to cut them out in just one moment. Salagadoola, magica-boola, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Put them together and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Salagadoola, magica-boola, bibbidi bobbidi boo. It'll do magic, believe it or not. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Now salagadoola means magica-boola roo. But the thingamy-bob that does the job is bibbidi bobbidi boo. Salagadoola, magica-boola, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Put them together and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Salagadoola, magica-boo. The next step is to color in the insides of both ears. We're going to color ours pink with our pink paint marker. Once you have 2 unicorn ears, your unicorn horn, and your pumpkin is dry, it's time to put our unicorn together. All you need to do is take your horn and line the outside with enough hot glue to stick right on top of your pumpkin.
Together and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Salagadoola, mechicaboola, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Put them together and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi, bibbidi bobbidi, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Salagadoola, mechicaboola, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Put them together and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Salagadoola, mechicaboola, bibbidi bobbidi.
We're almost done with our magical unicorn pumpkins, but your unicorn needs a face, of course. Let's give him some beautiful eyes and a unicorn nose with our black paint marker.
Salagadoola, mechicaboola, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Put them together and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Salagadoola, mechicaboola, bibbidi bobbidi boo. It'll do magic, believe it or not. Bibbidi bobbidi, bibbidi bobbidi, bibbidi bobbidi boo.
And just like that, our unicorn is finished. Congratulations, Royals, you made a beautiful pumpkin. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Now Salagadoola means